Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Watch the 7th part of the traditional Turkish breakfast varieties. All different from previous ones, and delicious breakfasts were prepared. Different cheeses, dessert varieties, pastries and egg recipes and drinks. A traditional Turkish cheese variety, wire cheese. Prepared with hot milk and a special rennet. And cut into elongated pieces, separated by hand as wire. Tomatoes and cucumbers are added around the cheese in the presentation. Wire cheese ready for service. Bagel, which is the most traditional food type. Definition of the word: round, crispy and sesame coated, a bit of hard bread type. Bagels are consumed simply or with cheese or dessert. There are triangular cheeses produced for bagels. Can be added breakfast chocolate. The simit dough is kneaded as leavened. The doughs are ring-shaped and added to the molasses water mixture. Then the rings are thrown into the sesame seeds and sesame is covered. Prepared at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock at night, cooked at very high temperature, in special stone-floor ovens, ready in the morning. Bagels are sold in markets, bakeries, and some sellers walk around the streets and sell bagels. These triangular cheeses are good with bagels. Cream cheese consistency, soft cheese type. Chocolate can be eaten in the bagel, and tea must be next to it. Stuffed green olives. Olive oil, oregano and red paprika. There are many different types of olives in Turkey. This olive is fuller and large-grained, the seeds are removed before making the brine. Olives are filled with red pepper, I think very successful and delicious. Add some olive oil and spices, ready to serve. In the previous video, walnut dried apricots were prepared. In this video will be made walnut dried figs. Dry snacks such as walnuts, peanuts or almonds. Healthy dried figs dried naturally in the sun. How to make the most healthy and very easy, flavor legend sweet. Here is the answer. Another sweet breakfast variety, hazelnut paste. Slightly sugary, and soft for bread. Is not unhealthy if a little quality brand is preferred. The grains of nuts inside can be seen if you look carefully. It is possible to decorate by putting some nuts around. Another sweet breakfast variety, apricot jam. I have previously published the traditional making of apricot jam, you can watch. Varieties of dessert. So enough, now a recipe with dough. Turkish gazlimborg with spinach will be made. Add a small cup of flour into the container. Add quarter glass of water and salt. Knead and prepare dough. 1 bork is made with this amount of dough. Add the flour and turn the dough into a round ball. Making dough with your children can be a lot of fun. Add plenty of flour and open the dough finely. If you make a dough ball with a soft consistency, it will open easily. You should add more flour. Wash fresh spinach and chop finely with a few leaves of mint. Add the chopped spinach to the dough. Red chili peppers, add black pepper, add some oil and mozzarella. Close the dough. Prepare the environment to cook. Cooked in the traditional way, over the iron plate heated on fire. Add some oil and let it warm. Burrito is placed on a heated iron plate and it is enough to cook for 3 minutes. Turkish pancake is done this way, and is made from a wide variety except spinach. A different egg will be made in this menu, eggs with yogurt. You need to prepare drain yogurt for it, and it must be at room temperature. Add rock salt into yogurt. Add a little olive oil, stir. Add some water, will not be more solid. 2 eggs, can be more according to request. Add yogurt to the bottom of the plate. Add water into the pan and add salt, allow to boil. Add the egg to the boiling water and cook for 1-2 minutes. Remove the eggs without water, add to the yogurt. Add chili and olive oil on top, ready to serve. Yogurt eggs with olive oil were prepared. Also made with pepper paste and butter. There are many varieties of bread than in Turkey, but pretty much could not be counted. A special bread made in this village is brought to the city to sell. Hard and plump bread type, very thick outside and crispy. This bread is edible even after 10 days in the cupboard. 1 slice is satisfying, E1 bread is enough for 1 week for 1 person. A good egg bread can be made with this bread. Let's see how to make. Add some milk. 1 or 2 eggs can be added, the bread will absorb. Add red paprika and salt, stir. Add bread slice. Egg mix with bread as a whole. To cook, use a double grill on a hot plate. You can do it in the pan. Add cress oil. Add bread with eggs. Add butter on the other side and close, cook until the 2 sides of the bread turn brown. Egg bread is ready to serve. Serve hot, a method for children to eat eggs. A traditional breakfast, baked potato to be made. Wash and dry the small potatoes, add to the oven, and cook. This is done in the stove oven in the villages. We will do it using technology. Such a small oven, it is economical and practical to prepare such food. Bake at 190 degrees for 1 hour. Cooked for 50 minutes. It is enough to cook for 10 more minutes. Yes, the inside of the potatoes looks very soft right now. Cut the potatoes in half. Add salt, butter and spices. Hot and cold drinks will be prepared as beverages for breakfast. In this menu, as a cold drink, mineral orange juice will be made. We need hand-squeezed orange juice. Slowly add mineral water to the orange juice. It was made from a healthy fondant that was both natural and delicious. A good quality green tea can be preferred as a hot drink. A small amount of tea should be added and give enough color. Add boiling water and add green tea to the porcelain teapot. Tea will be ready after 10 minutes. Let's look again what was on the traditional Turkish breakfast menu. We saw specially produced bread, bagel and triangle cheese. Spinach pancake borek. Oven potatoes. Wire cheese. Egg fried bread. Egg with yogurt. Green olive stuffed with pepper. Dried figs stuffed with walnuts. Peanut butter. Apricot jam. Mineral orange juice. Finally, hot drink, green tea. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. You can help the videos to enter the trends with the rating button. See you in a new video. Goodbye.